In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone online. If you've blocked a contact and you're ready to hear from them again, I'll walk you through exactly where to go in the app, explain what unblocking does, and share a few quick tips so you feel confident about the change. Start by launching your Line app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and, if possible, update to the latest version so the menus look and behave as expected. If you're asked to log in, go ahead and sign in with your usual credentials. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the app's main screen and you can continue right away. Now tap the Home tab. You'll usually find it at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a small house. Home is your hub for profile settings and features that affect your account and friends. From the home screen, tap the settings icon, the gear in the top right corner. This opens the full settings menu where you'll find options for privacy, friends, and more. Scroll down and tap Friends. This area controls your friends list and how you manage contacts you've hidden or blocked. Next, tap Blocked Users. This displays the list of people you've blocked from contacting you online. Find the person you want to unblock. If your list is long, take a moment to scroll carefully. If you don't see their name here, that means they're not currently blocked under your account. When you locate the right contact, tap Edit or use the button shown next to their name, depending on your version of the app. Choose Unblock from the options. The change takes effect immediately, and their name will disappear from your blocked list. After unblocking, the person can message or call you again if you're still friends online. If you previously removed them from your friends list, you may need to add them back before you can start a new chat. Unblocking doesn't notify the other person, so they won't receive an alert that you unblocked them. It also doesn't bring back any messages you might have missed while they were blocked. To confirm it worked, stay on the blocked user's screen and check that their name is no longer listed. If you ever need to reverse the decision, you can come back to the same place and block them again. One last tip. Line also has a hidden users list, which is different from blocked. Hidden simply tucks chats out of sight, while blocked stops all contact. For unblocking, make sure you're in the blocked users section. And that's it. Launch Line, go to Home, open Settings, tap Friends, open blocked users, find the contact, tap Edit, and select Unblock. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back in touch smoothly.